guys, today I'll teach you how to draw a girl on Valentine's Day. And I don't want this to be a long intro because nobody likes long intros, so let's get into the video. Okay, start with the curved line, then another curved line a little bit shorter. So I'll make a big U. This is going to be the face. Make a circle connecting to these lines. I'm going to oval, or as in geometry teachers would like to call it, an ellipse. It's the same as boop, boop, boop. Okay, so for the eyes, that's nice. Make a curve and then a little dot for the thing where you want them to. I'm making her blushing because this is a Valentine's Day thing, so just a bunch of little lines. And a big goofy grin on her face. Two lines and curved, and like a box of chocolates from that special someone. Make a big question mark above her head around her. That's it. Skirt. Feet and shoes. I don't know why I'm making her wear heels, but okay, this is my girl on V-Day. I have terrible handwriting. So goodbye. Make sure you subscribe to my channel. You guys think you have to be signed in to do that. Nope. You can just click that subscribe. I don't know why I write everything out. I don't have one of those school channels that you can make fonts of different sizes. I don't know. And then make sure you hit that subscribe button. Bye. I love you guys.